This is Larry Smith. I'm inserting the last cube here. We did Larry as a mosaic because he is the host for the comedy show that I'm headlining tonight. And he knows we're bringing a mosaic. He does not know that it is of him. It's gonna be hilarious.
Guys, this will be the moment where we're gonna reveal what's behind the curtain. Are you guys curious what's behind the curtain? That's not very curious, guys. Are you fucking? You wanna see what's behind the curtain? Alex, would you please? You've done enough. You can go home. I'll give you the money. You don't even have to do the hours. Holy shit, look at that. The best I've ever looked.